I would like to thank everybody that believed in me. I did it. Everybody who didn't believe in me. Forget you. Okay, so y'all, we about to try this bun, and it's gonna be considered a struggle bun or struggle ponytail. You know them little. Don't come for me. That's all I gotta say. Don't come for me. Today we are focusing on edges because I'm not good at that either. So I really don't know why I'm doing this, but hey, I'm excited. Okay, let the magic begin. So I'm gonna make sure it's super wet because my hair just works better that way. And to make sure I get it as sleeky as possible, I'm gonna try to do sections. And try. They're not crisp sections, but they're sections. So yeah, y'all probably looking like, girl, I already see the struggle, and it's okay. I'm gonna put all my products on. We are using Creme of Nature, so bear with me, it might take a bit. I have the Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner. Style, I either have curling jelly or curl activator. I'm gonna use this jelly because jelly consistency kind of molds your hair a little, well, a lot more. So put that gel consistency on there.
But imagine how tired we are. Imagine how tired we are of it.
Okay, and now I'm gonna use the frizz-free curl mousse from SHEIN Moisture. So we're gonna put that on there. Then I'm gonna use my, y'all don't know, rat tail. And I'm gonna comb it in. Now we're about to go in with the Eco Styler Motorsport. Now I'm gonna take I call it my black girl brush. Yeah, we gonna do it. I have faith in us. Okay, put it a little high. Try to put it a little high. Okay. My hair acting like you don't want to cooperate. Y'all can see I'm stressed, right? I don't even know why I thought that I was ready for this, but I think I'm ready for it. Okay. Whew. Okay. So I got some stragglies, but it's okay. Hey, we're gonna try to do something about that. Yeah, I don't know if my hair was ready.
Make me sick, you big baby!
I ain't gonna quit though, cause mama ain't raised no quitter. But I really don't think my hair was ready. Okay. Put it up. Come on, Shawn. You got it. You got it. Put it inside. Yeah. Whew. This would be a lot better if like all my hair was even, cause like the top was ready. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush because this one's tighter. The other one has loose. Ooh, okay. Not you wanting me to change the brush the whole time. Yeah, this is more than a freaking struggle button. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Now this part, we got it. It's okay. I'm gonna just put some freeze spray on that first one. It's dirty, huh? Just so it can know, we're not playing today. Okay, don't let that do whatever. Now I'm about to add the leave-in and stuff to this. Ooh. The same process, so. Okay, so now I'm about to take the Eco. Slicky. It's like the top part, of course, is easier because it's longer, but it's also more complicated because my sides are actually probably the same length as my back. So, yeah.
Well, maybe you're just making excuses.
But we gonna get it done. Y'all see that progress we are making? And now I'm gonna take the edge control and put like an extra layer. Just to help me slick it back. Take the comb.
Yeah, I'm desperate. I literally tried to flip the comb another way to see if that would help. Like, help.
Now, handy dandy brush. I'm gonna have to bring the top a little bit further up. I mean the bottom. Okay, I had to take a mental break because I'm not understanding, like, if y'all go back into like my old videos when my hair was shorter than this, I was slicking it. Why is it not slicking now? Like, I'm kind of like, I'm trying not to cry. But I wanna cry. Yo, this looks like, what in the heck? Okay, when in doubt, pull those edges out. Maybe if I fleek the edges, like, I won't be so worried about the fact that all the hair in the back is just sticking up. You know, sticking up and out, okay. Okay. So the edge control being brought to you guys today is the one that I already tried to put on my hair and it's been like acting crazy. Yeah. Like, I need to learn how to like make my edges look good. Maybe I should make them go different ways. Okay, so let's see. Maybe it just goes this way. Okay. Maybe. Okay.
Okay.
And take this one and go this way. Or maybe I can make this go like this, like this. What? Okay. Make this go this way with it. Okay, so let's see. They're kind of like out there a little bit. Okay, they look different than they usually do. Yeah, I'm hungry, y'all, too, so that's probably another and red flag, but hey, we gonna get this bun done. Okay, my edges never looked, you know, like this, so we just gonna keep moving. Okay, sideburn action on my Ashanti with it. The way that I love. My Ashanti going on. Ooh, I can't wait to get next to you. Oh, I just can't leave you alone. Kind of. Y'all like feeling them a little bit? Maybe like spray them. Okay, so let's just hope that stays because I feel like my edges have never looked like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take we're back with the Murrays. I'm gonna like take this part of my hair and make it lay down. Okay, we're getting somewhere kind of a little bit, just a bit. So maybe I should have did my edges first. Okay, that gave me a little hope. Let me take this Murray's, put it on my sides, put it on my back. Okay, so the Creme of Nature Edge Control is great for my edges, but not for molding, so don't use it for molding. It's already messed up. My hair looks atrocious. I'm just letting you know it doesn't. We speaking it. Manifestation. Okay, I'm done with my mini little breakdown. I feel a little more confident in myself. Why look like my edges coming up? Oh man. Come on, Shawn. Okay, it's getting sleekier with this brush. Don't play with her. It's so funny because y'all probably like believed in me. I was playing with myself. But hey, it's all good. The rate this is going though, it's gonna be a struggle. Little this. It's not even gonna be a struggle, but y'all. I really need to eat. I think that's where this is going. So I'm about to go take a break and eat, and I'll be back. Wait, y'all. I'm not about to go eat. I'm not about to quit. I'm not. We got this. We're all in this together. I feel like I'm almost there. That's really the reason why I came back. If I didn't feel like I was almost there, I probably wouldn't have came back. But yeah. Okay. It's leaking. Let's take this Got to Be spray. And just make sure we brush. Are we doing better? Okay, we're doing better. Probably not doing this again until I actually get some hair to do it with. Can't even see the blonde. I really thought this was gonna be easy peasy, y'all. Like, I promise y'all, if I knew I was gonna embarrass myself like this, I probably would have waited. I promise y'all. I really have faith in myself. I mean, I'm still technically doing it, so I guess I still can still have faith in myself, but dang. About to put my handy dandy scarf on it. Let it sit for a bit. I'm about to go eat. Cause I can't do this anymore, man. Okay, you guys, so I am back and fed and I'm feeling positive. Okay. Okay, it just needs a little TLC. Got a little white flakes, but that's okay, cause they'll come off. They'll come off. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Now I'm just about to, smooth it out. Y'all, I'm a silky person. I would like to thank everybody that believed in me. I did it. Everybody who didn't believe in me. Forget you. I could put it in a bun. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna put a little something out in the back. Little something out in the back. Hey, little something out in the back. Y'all was asleep on me. I had to wake y'all up. But I'm done. Got the slicky in the bun. Got the sleeky in the bun. I really don't know what it looked like in the back, so please don't judge me. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe, and definitely come back because y'all gotta watch how I even grow this to a real bun. So yeah, thank you guys.